Good morning, baby. I already checked outside. It's snowing again. Yeah, they said it wasn't going to, but apparently I don't know. They didn't see it coming in. Neither did we. So yeah, you can stay in bed. There is no point in coming out unless you have to go to the bathroom. And you stay warm under there. The floor is ice cold. Yeah, yeah, it's really bad. Do you mind if I join you again? Okay. Oh, I was just up for like an hour, making some food. It's ready, but like we don't have to have it now. And checking the weather, seeing if there is gonna be like more in the next 2 days. And I don't know, it's not clear. So, well, I'm hearing they're getting the snow plows out, so that's pretty good, but it's not really gonna do much, I feel like, for foot traffic, and they can't get them in the little streets anyway, so it seems to like not like it's not gonna help everybody. But how do you sleep? Good. Warm? I know, I overheat so easily. It's kind of crazy. Mhm. I love you too. I know we've been here for 2 days now, and I'm glad you're comfortable. You're able to sleep and stuff. Mhm. Mhm. We can snuggle. Mhm. Mhm. Your hair is so soft. Mhm. I'm telling you, my hair products are not bad. No, it's something like kind of new that I've been using for a while. It's like really easy on the scalp, and it's like for like sensitivity and everything. You actually sell it across the street. Yeah. At first I got something imported, but it really did not work. So just like looking up locally what works, and found somebody made like a list of things, like an actual like document, and I looked into it like what brands are available actually here. And well, I was lucky. It's not even that expensive, which is good because some of these brands are really expensive. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they make conditioner too. I have some. You haven't seen it? No, you should totally use it. Yeah. The other time I bought one and it was like peppermint. Wrong choice. I don't know who thinks it's good to make peppermint shampoo, but my head burned. Maybe because I'm allergic to peppermint, but or like mint. But you know. Mm-hmm. You can put your hands where you want, baby. I don't mind. Mm-hmm. You're so cute. Mm-hmm. I love holding your head. Yeah. You could just so like, having you curl into me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why don't you close your eyes, okay? We're gonna go back to sleep. Mm-hmm. I love you. Mm. A little forehead kiss. Mm?